You are going to love the 2015 Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, exterior entry lights, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, roof rack, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, front knee, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.